Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color the numbers from 0 to 10. Let's start drawing. We start by drawing some small eyes for the number 0. Then we draw another eyes for number 1. Then we draw number 2. We continue with number 3. Number 4. Looks like he is smiling. And then the number 5. After number 5, we draw the number 6. Then 7. Then number 8. Number 9. And finally, we draw the number 10. Very good! How beautiful it turned out! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Perfect! Let's start coloring. We start with the red color for 0. Then orange for number 1. We color the number 2 with yellow. Number 3 will be a very light green. The 4 with a darker green tone like the color of the grass in the forest. Then the sky blue for the number 5. Now dark blue for the number 6. Then we use pink for the number 7. For number 8, we use burgundy. And the number 9 is purple. And finally, the number 10 is pink. Look how pretty it turned out! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.